Today I'm going to be putting these gorgeous double tulips. They're just so beautiful. I haven't really seen ones this big before. They're just stunning. So looking forward to using these into this hat box. So this makes a beautiful gift. I've got a big designer bowl that's going to go into the gift box. So it's a hat box, I should say. And what I'm going to do is just pry the lid open. So we don't want the lid completely off. The look that we want to create is having the tulips coming out of the box. And so to do that, we've got some double-sided tape around the back of the box. I'm going to sit the bowl with the foam in the box and then use a stick to hold the box open, like so. Okay, so I'll need to work on it on this side, and I'll keep turning it so that you can see it as well. So working these tulips into the foam, we just want to fill it. So let me get the other tools. So to begin with, I'm working in the centre because I want to decide on how far I want to come out with these tulips, and then I'm going to come to the either side as well, and then that becomes like a framework or a guideline, and then we can just fill in and complete from there. One of the things that I'm keeping in mind is that tulips, when they're in water and in foam as well, will continue to grow. And so I'm actually taking them in just that little bit shorter than what will be their optimum look. So they'll come out a little bit further than this. And if you were making this for home and it wasn't being moved or transported, you could achieve it just with using a dish in there as well, and not using foam at all, if that was your wish. And you could use something like a Japanese kensen to place them into as well. Side, so that's as far as I'd like to come out that side, and now I'll fill in between. It starts getting a little bit tighter for space as it's really filling up. You just need to be mindful of not damaging the heads of the other tulips that are already in there when you're getting your hand in to reach the foam. I'm going to cut a little bit shorter. fill up nicely. Sort of imagine someone receiving this. It would look beautiful on someone's desk, work desk, or it's a good gift for a hospital as well. So usually don't have a lot of room for flowers. So it's quite compact. And of course you can make these in varying sizes depending upon what size hat box that you have available. I wouldn't mind one of these for Mother's Day. Just about full. Finishes off that edge. Just a slight adjustment of some of the flowers. And that finishes that off. So all beautiful and white. Yeah, and I think that makes a lovely gift. So I hope you enjoy making it.